Good morning, my name is Fabio Carati and I am in charge to the MarcoPolo 2.0 project, the project that I'm going to explain to you. In terms of idea, MarcoPolo is a platform that enables community of developers to build a new application. But not only that, because in reality MarcoPolo connects different community, social community. This is very interesting because normally when we speak about community, we speak only about community on internet, social community on internet. With MarcoPolo we can connect and do mashup with other real community in the real territory. This is a big challenge because in this way we can build new kind of services connecting the real world with the virtual world, and the market that is on the virtual world can interact directly with the shops, with the enterprise on a territory. At the same time, also these shops, this enterprise can keep in touch and do business, open deal with all the social community in the environment. So MarcoPolo we have called MarcoPolo also social engine because is the product that find the right customer based on the personalization of the product and on the profiling of the customer. In this way, company can, in a very simple way, have a lot of services with the touch interface without leave the focus on their core business. So in this way the company can work in their core business but also at the same time use the power of internet. I'm going to show you an application on Apple iOS. This is my iPad. We have the same application on iPhone and also on the Android system. For example, I can show you what the Daniele experience is in terms of movie, in terms of color, in terms of brand. This is being personalized for the Daniele author. I can also, if I want, to book, for example, a lunch. This is just an operative service that we have given to the Hotel Daniele, and I can, for example, look video about this kind of product, but also do a booking, a real booking directly. How you can see, for example, I can reserve, for example, a table for April 9 at, for example, at this hour for 2 people, for example. In this way I can do directly the booking on my device. How you can see, if I go directly, if I go on my email, I will receive this order. This order is related to the lunch, to the dinner that I have booked. So I have the number of reservation that is 644. If I want, I can do the same stuff in another application, but in a Facebook application. For example, here we are on my Facebook page. I can go in application. This application perhaps has been suggested by a friend of mine on Facebook. So there is a sort of viral market that I can manage with this kind of system. In the application, I am again in my environment, the Fabio environment with my friend. Here I am in my page, but inside my page I have all the product of the territory. At the same time, I can do also here a reservation, for example, reservation of an hotel reservation or other kind of product reservation. The system directly manages everything. For example, this is always Daniele hotel reservation. I can ask for a data di check-in and check-out, and in the same way I can do a booking. This is an example. Okay, now I want to show you how the community of the real world, the companies that are on the territory, can interact with the application that we have seen before. Now you can see MarcoPolo as a CRM, a property CRM, where each company can enter and can manage two stuff. The first stuff is the relation with the customer in terms of order, entry order, and also customer data, and also the possibility to launch some coupon, for example, to the application, to the people that have application inside a territory, inside the array that we can set up. For example, I want to offer a special coupon to enter in my shop to the people that are near my shop in 3 kilometers, for example. Now I want to show you, for example, now I enter in the CRM, like the Terrazza Daniele, that is the restaurant. In the Terrazza Daniele restaurant, I can see different kind of experience. For example, before we have booked with the application an experience. This is Fabio Carati experience. The number is 643, and is the pending input. We can also, for example, we can change the input, say accept, because now I am the restaurant, and say okay. In this way, we have accepted the order, and if we go on my email, the customer email, we will see that the system has accepted the experience. Do you remember the experience that we have booked before with the Daniele application? The same stuff if I book with from the Facebook application. The last thing that I want to show you is the normal portal. Also MarcoPolo as a portal is not only a platform that hosts application, social application, mobile application. It's also a portal that is personalized in terms of category. You can see there we have the category on this kind of territory. We have, for example, flight, artisan stuff, wines, jewelry, yacht, everything related to the environment of Venice. And I can enter here also like a normal portal. For example, I can enter like with my account. That can be the same account of Facebook, for example. I enter and I see experience like a normal portal. Okay, I can also use the geolocalization research. I can ask, for example, to the system, show what are in Venice the company inside, for example, this address for an array of 3 kilometers, for example, and the system show me the company that are inside that array. It means that every object, every company is georeferenced